So this is a really interesting topic and just overall conversation that I've seen. I saw a conversation on Twitter, which is X now, and they were talking about XRP and Bitcoin in the same conversation. Not only saying like, hey, can this be worth so much more than Bitcoin in the form of market cap? Because a lot of people have answered this, and it's definitely an overwhelming answer that yes, it could be. Doesn't mean that it will. That's a whole nother question. But that wasn't the question that was at hand. It was, will it be worth as much as Bitcoin? Not in the form of market cap, but in the form of price, which means that the market cap would be insanely high compared to where Bitcoin is. Now, the way that I look at it, I'm always thinking conservative, and I'm like, I don't even want to say that is the case, but the conversation is here. So let's talk about it. Guys, hit that like button, hit that subscribe button, hit that notification bell for more videos like this one. Also, make sure you check out some of the links down below. It does help out the channel. And if you want to follow me on Twitter, follow me on Patreon, those links are in the description. Don't forget about my credit card YouTube channel. I have a credit card YouTube channel where I talk about credit card bonuses, rewards, how to, travel hack and all these other things. And we'll get into everything there. We've only been live on that channel for 3 weeks. We're almost at 400 subscribers. So feel free to go over there and subscribe if you are interested. But like I said, XRP, you have a ton of predictions that are out there, ranging from $5 of a price point all the way up to 500,000, multiple thousands of dollars, right, per XRP. And that's where people are like, hey, we can make this comparison because Bitcoin would be worth $100,000, XRP would be worth $100,000 per coin, but the supplies are significantly different. So when I look at it, I'm like, this doesn't make sense to me, because you would see trillions upon trillions of dollars worth of a market cap versus Bitcoin that would probably be at like 1.5 or about $2 trillion market cap. It's like, can that really happen? Can you see it surpass Bitcoin? Not only surpass Bitcoin, but surpass it by that much in the form of market cap in order to get to a comparable price. Now, the one thing that I will say is that XRP does burn. If I wanted to give my own perspective into it, XRP does burn slightly, but not enough to make it insanely deflationary. If anything, it's just dropping a very minuscule amount of XRP. But here's the article. Could Ripple or XRP ever be worth as much as Bitcoin or BTC? So since the creation of cryptocurrency, Bitcoin has been the undisputed king, but now it faces a challenger in the form of Ripple XRP. But there are other cryptocurrencies that have deployed and gained a higher market cap, and one of them is Ripple XRP, a cryptocurrency aimed at the financial sector. In this article, we try to answer whether Ripple XRP can become become as valuable as Bitcoin at the time of writing. Bitcoin or BTC's price oscillates around 28,500, and its capitalization is about $553 billion. XRP is trading at 46 cents with a $24 billion market cap. Can one XRP equal one Bitcoin? It is impossible for XRP to ever overtake Bitcoin's rate. XRP would then have to increase 50,000 times, while Bitcoin would stand still. The more coins available, the lower the value of one coin will be. Bitcoin has a limited supply of 21 million. This is what makes its value soar. Ripple, on the other hand, has a much larger supply, namely 100 billion coins, not all in circulation though. More realistic, but also still difficult to achieve, is that Ripple's market cap will catch up with Bitcoin. XRP would then have to increase only 23 times. On March 21st, 2017, XRP reached its highest ever percentage share in the entire cryptocurrency market. For a very short period of time, over 19% of the value of all cryptocurrencies consisted of XRP. and Bitcoin's dominance plunged to 47%. Bitcoin's currently accounts for 45% of the market. But can Ripple become as valuable as Bitcoin? To answer this question, we must first look at the factors that determine the value of cryptocurrencies. The most important of these is the number of users and acceptance as a means of payment. The more people use and accept a given cryptocurrency, the greater its value will be. At the moment, Bitcoin has a much greater acceptance than Ripple. BTC is the most used cryptocurrency in the world, while Ripple is mainly used for the financial sector. However, this does not mean that Ripple has no potential to increase in value. Banks and financial institutions. The greater the demand, the higher the value will be. Bitcoin currently has a greater demand than Ripple, but keep in mind that demand for Ripple has skyrocketed in the recent years. The fact that Ripple is targeting the financial sector and facilitating payments between different cryptocurrencies or currencies could lead to more companies and banks using it. This, in turn, can lead to increased demand and therefore a higher XRP value. For example, some central banks use Ripple services to develop their own CBDC. Please note that they use Ripple as a company, not necessarily XRP as the currency. It makes you think if Ripple actually became worth more than Bitcoin, the banking world won and Bitcoin lost. But that is irrelevant. If Ripple loses its lawsuit with the Securities and Exchange Commission, this is the project's first challenge on its way to overthrowing Bitcoin from its throne. So obviously we surpassed that, but this is where the conversation leads. This is where the conversation comes from. And it's always interesting to see that people actually believe that this could be the case. Now, when it comes to its value, like I think that that's true, that is impossible. You're literally looking at, multiple trillions of dollars worth of value, which you could see in the crypto market. And I've seen people explain it. I've seen people believe in it. And I want to believe them as well because they're so they understand every piece to it. I don't even know how to really explain it, but their arguments are so thorough and they know what they are talking about when it comes to their position that they truly believe in. The issue is that I still go back to the market cap. I still go back to what we're comparing to. And while, yes, I may leave some in there to understand what XRP will be, does not mean that I'm banking on it being worth $25,000, $50,000. It's just not going to happen for me to push for that belief. If I see that worth that much, you guarantee that I'm going to be taking profit from the amount that I have. So it wouldn't be as valuable from me to help out Ripple or help out XRP in the end. So I don't know. What's your opinion? I would say we can argue for it taking over Bitcoin in the form of market cap. You can always argue for that. But arguing that it will be the same price, you can say it's worth more than Bitcoin or worth as much as Bitcoin by saying it's the same price or the same market cap. I would lean towards market cap, not towards the price. But there are some that will definitely lean towards the price, and there will probably be people within this comment section that also lean towards the price. It doesn't hurt to lean towards the market cap, I'll tell you that. Guys, hit that like button, hit that subscribe button, hit that notification bell for more of these videos. Also, make sure you check out my new credit card YouTube channel. I'm going to get out of here, and I'll catch you guys in the next one. See ya.